What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford remote key fob. This Ford key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if I grab the fob and I hold it, so I'm looking at the key ring on the bottom right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, I'm going to stick it in the key ring in between the two halves, between the front and the back half, like that. And make sure you have it pushed all the way in there as far as you can. And then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, it pops the two halves of the shell apart like that. And I can just pull it the rest of the way apart with my hands. And in the back half of the shell, we see the battery right here. You can use your screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery, get out of that little holder. We'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side of the battery down, like that. Plus side goes down onto the case. Once you have that battery snapped in there, you can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.